Myntri Rangbah ukonrat ke sangma haka khatnyo terik risau. Ulawan hiar sya Jowai bat ula jurip yaka Civil Hospital Jowai hayalong bat yaka kiang Rangbah Government College. Hakani ke jing jurip jong Myntri Rangbah lasan ran lang MLA Jowai uma wailat miki Syllad. Kajing tumu kalong ban syem yaki sinjam ban kentiu yaka pule ka puthi bar kajing syakri ka tenar ka koit ka khiah hapo ka distrik. Hakiang Rangbah Government College, Myntri Rangbah ula ong baka jingdawa kalong ka jingdan kam kerki yaki kamra kelas. Nakadaw ka jingbun ki samla pule barung kelas hakani ka college. Myntri Rangbah ula kentu yau MLA Jowai banwan ra ya ka report halor ka jingdan kam ka college bar ka sarkar kalalong ka bapen kre ban penbiang yaki jingdan kam. Syuk-syuk hakabaya day bar ka Civil Hospital layak keren halor ka boarding ka jingduna ki nongtre ki tiar kitar bar ki doktor specialist. Ukon rat ula kular ban syim khiah ban penbiang ya kajing don kam kani ka jaka sumar ban mentoy upai nong syong. Hakabay day ber kayaw musyang UMLA ka Jowai ula ong balapatha ya ka PWD ban penkre ya ka estimate ka bathamai kenang ban yok hot no ya ka tender. Nalor kata ya ka report halor ka jinglong jingman kayaw musyang lapha sya IIT Guwahati. Hakabaya day ber kayaw musyang ukon rat ula ong bakanu ka jing ajimul UMLA Jowai ka sorkar kan syim ban pendap no ya ka jingtay.
After discussion with many of our cabinet ministers and our MLAs, we had decided that whenever we visit different locations, then a visit to education institutes and to medical health institutes should be done. Today also in that line, after the the request of the local MLA Meghalaya, who was insistent that we should visit these two institutes, Rangbah College and the Civil Hospital. So based on his suggestion, I have visited, and the idea was to communicate and talk. I have requested that the committees and the boards in each of these institutes, whether it's the college or the hospital, should sit with our local MLA, Meghalaya, along with the officials from health and education respectively, and then submit a full detailed report. We would like to see that at least the district headquarters, the institutes, especially education and health, we should try and improve them to whatever level we can, and small improvements and small steps that we take can make a huge difference. So of course requirements are large. We will try to achieve them to whatever level possible. But there are many things that can be done even in a very quick manner that can have a huge difference. So we are seeing that in Rangbah there is a requirement for additional classrooms, and the Honorable MLA has mentioned to me earlier also, and today also in the meeting it was mentioned. So I've asked the Honorable MLA to submit a full detailed report after discussion with the management committee there and the principal and the staff, and we will take steps to figure out how to look into the report that is submitted by him. Similarly, here also there were requirements of power issues were there, manpower issue was there, issues of some equipments were there, issues of some specialists being out here, and in the longer run expansion also in the hospital. So all of these aspects were discussed, and I'm very thankful to both the managing committee at the college and the staff here in the civil hospital for their time. And I want to give an assurance to all the people here also, and citizens especially of Jingeh Hills, that we are here to ensure that in whatever way our efforts can be put in to ensure that community at large, the public at large, especially when it comes to the social service and sectors like health and education, we will try to do whatever possible to improve the services. And I have urged the Honorable MLA to take an active role in it, and in fact he has been the person who is responsible for calling and inviting me here, and so together we will ensure that we're able to improve the overall health services and educational, especially in the higher technical education, for the citizens of Jingeh Hills at large. To complete it, but I don't know the current status.
Because actually I'll brief it, because last time Dr. Vijay came, the Commissioner of Finance, So he came here because we were waiting for that report from this IIT Guwahati, because we, like last time discussed with you, will continue the work, sir. So but we have to check how strong are those, because they have been left out
Foundations.
for foundations and all. So we were waiting for the report, and the report has come. So now at that time only we have directed the PWD department that they will prepare the fresh estimate, because the estimate has changed, because that was the previous one. So now we have directed the department to prepare fresh estimate, and then we'll call the tender. That was the.
And can I just add to this, that whatever recommendations and suggestions come from the local MLA for any of the other issues that are there in Jowai constituency, we will be taking it up the matter, and as per his suggestions, whatever requirements are there, we will fulfill the requirements for the Yamusiam shopping complex also, and even for other areas also. I urge that if there's anything issue that has to be brought out, our local MLA is there, he can be approached and the issue can be brought to us if there are any issues that are there or concerns that are there.